Baguio.
Why?
I don't know.
And then?
And then again I go.
What did you say inside when you're entering the room?
It's a Baguio.
And then?
And then again I go.
Where?
At school.
Why?
Because there's a Baguio. You said it. You said it, Mama.
But you have a big boo-boo on your hands.
Mama, okay, stay here. I'll be here. I cannot hold notebook and pencil.
I know naman kasi you're too hard to touch your book and your pencil because your boo-boo is there. Where did you get their boo-boo?
Dapa at school.
Who is the person saw you that you dapa on school?
It was my teacher. My two teacher and just
What did your teacher tell you?
be careful.
Oh, because your teacher is always concerned to you.
Yeah, but when I dapa, she just said sorry.
Why you said sorry? I thought that you dapa with your own.
Because the sleeper just dropped me.
Sleeper whom?
I don't know who's the sleeper. It was my fault.
It's okay. It's your fault naman pala, anak.
But it's okay.
It's okay, anak. Kasi it's your fault.
But it's okay.
Oo, anak. Kasi nga sabi ko nga sa'yo is kahit anong pag-iingat natin sa'yo, kasi aksidente po yun. Wala pong may gusto nun. Gusto ba ng teacher mo na madapa ka?
Yeah.
Oh, gusto ng teacher mo na madapa ka?
No.
Oh no, gusto ba ng classmate mo na madapa ka?
No.
Oh. Yun nga po yun. Kaya nga po ako nagsasabi sa iyo
Go
na
sleep now.
okay, say good night then.
Good night.
Love you, anak.
Love you. Get down, Kuya. Don't touch my booby here. Touch my hair only.
Okay, I'm gonna tell your brother tomorrow.
And then when she's awake and she'll touch it, but you stop him.
I will stop them. I will slap them if they touch your boo-boo.
And then it's so hurt.
Yeah, I know naman kasi your boo-boo is too hurt. Because the blood in your boo-boo is come out, diba?
But
Okay,
how
na,
I can hug you?
Maybe, it's okay. You can hug me. I'm gonna hug you na lang. So that your boo-boo is safe, okay?
Because I cannot hug you. It can be just there.
Yes, I love you, baby.
Is it going to be closer later?
Yes po. Love you, anak.
I love you.
Good night.
Kiss it. Tell it nothing.
What? I will say to Talet, but it's nothing. What will I tell to Talet? It is nothing.
You don't touch Brianna's boob and you will stop
Okay, we're gonna tell them, okay?
later.
Okay, I love you. Sleep
I
na.
love you.
Love you, baby.
Because I can almost going to be hurt.
Yes po.
So you're going to hug me now?
Yes, but I'm to secure for your boo-boo ulok. Okay, sleep na. Good night.
Good night.
Love you.
I